We're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, the Fan Edition that promises flagship features at a more wallet-friendly price. Design and build. The Galaxy S21 FE inherits much of its design language from the original S21. It features a sleek matte plastic back with an aluminum frame, and it feels premium despite the plastic. It's light, slim, and comfortable to hold at just 177 grams. Display. One of the biggest highlights here is the 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's sharp at 1080p, super vibrant, and buttery smooth with a 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung's display game is top tier, and this panel doesn't disappoint, whether you're scrolling social media or binge-watching Netflix. Performance. Under the hood, you get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, or Exynos 2100 in some regions, paired with 6 or 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of storage. It's still a very capable chipset. Apps open fast, gaming is smooth, and multitasking feels fluid. Cameras. The S21 FE sports a triple camera setup, a 12MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Photos are detailed with great dynamic range, especially in daylight. Low-light performance is solid with night mode, though not quite flagship level. Battery life. Battery life is decent. The 4500 mAh battery gives a full day with moderate use. It supports 25 watts wired charging, 15 watts wireless, and reverse wireless charging. Overall, this mobile is nice. Thank you so much.